Grade 12 Determinants. In this class we are going to see about the adjoint of A, minor of A and cofactors of given matrix. Now for example A is equal to like this they given. How to find the determinant? Determinant we know determinant of A is equal to 1 into leave this row and this column, so 1 2 3 5 minus 0 into anything is 0, so no problem, leave it, plus 4 into leave this row and this column, so minus 1 1 minus 2 and 3. So by using this we can find easily the determinant of A. So 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, so totally minus 1, minus 3 plus 2, so this total value is here minus 3 plus 2 is nothing but minus 1, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, so totally we are getting minus 5. This is determinant of A value. Okay, suppose they are asking determinant also we can find. Here minor, what is mean by minor? So for each and every element we are leaving here, consider this one into, we are leaving this row and this column, right? So this determinant 2 by 2 determinant we are getting, that is actually called a minor. For example, minor of A11 means it's nothing but A11 represent first row first column. First row first column is this element. For this element what is the minor? Leave this row and this column. So what is that? We are getting 2 by 2 matrix. It is nothing but 1 2 3 5. Determinant of that value is called the minor. So 5 minus 6 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 is the minor of A11, that is for the first element. Similarly, minor of A23. So what is that? A23 means what is the meaning? Second row third column. So first row, second row, third column. So this element. So for this element, leave this row and leave this column. So what we will get? 1 0 minus 2 and 3. This determinant value becomes the minor of A23. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus 0, it is nothing but 3. So 3 is the minor of this A23. Minor of A23 is 3. Like this we can find the minors of all the elements. Okay. Now what is the cofactors? See here, cofactors is nothing but cofactor of A11. This also is nothing but the signed minor. Cofactor is nothing but signed minor. That is, what is the A11 means? What is the meaning? First row first column. So first row first column is this element, correct? So here what is the sign of this element? Here actually this place value is plus. Place sign is plus. Here minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So include the sign, that's all. So what is the sign of this place? Plus, correct? Plus. Now leave this row, this column. So 1 2 3 5. Determinant of this value 5 minus 6, that is nothing but minus 1. So now you will get a confusion that cofactor of A11 is also minus 1, minor of A11 also minus 1. Both are same or not? No. Actually, for this point, we are getting both the values are same. But for example, for this one, 0, you just consider the cofactor of A12, cofactor of A12. A12 means what is the meaning? First row, second column. That is nothing but 0. So for this 0, the sign of this place is negative. So that negative. And then leave this row and this column. What I will get? Minus 1, 2, minus 2, 5. So minus 1, 2, 2, 5. Correct? Determinant of this value. So what I will get? Minus of minus 5 minus 4. So minus 9, actually minus is there, so that plus 9. So here cofactor of A12 is 9. Same thing, suppose minor if I am finding, means what I will get? Minor of A12. So what I will get? See here, minor means don't consider the sign of this place, just leave it. So what I will get? Minus 1, 2, 2, 5. Only this determinant value. So what I will get? Minus 5, minus 4. It is nothing but minus 9. See here, minor is minus 9, cofactor is 9. Like this we can find all the minors and cofactors of this matrix. So like this we can find all these cofactors of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. After finding these cofactors, we have to find the cofactor matrix. It's nothing but the same order if you write in a matrix format, that is called a cofactor matrix. That's all. A11 value is minus 1, this is 9, and the next one is minus 1, the next one is 12, 13, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, 1. In a matrix format if you write, this is called a cofactor matrix, and then transpose of this is called a adjoint of A. That's all. That is Cij. I am taking this cofactor matrix as Cij. Now transpose of this Cij. Adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of this Cij. I am transposing. What is mean by transpose? Change these rows into column. So this is called the adjoint of A. Shortly we can write adj. Adj. Adj of A we can write. Okay, right. Now by using this adjoint of A, we can find the inverse of a given matrix. Already we found inverse of A. Already we know by row transformation. This is also nothing but one more method by using adjoint. What is the formula? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A is the inverse of the given matrix A. Here what is the determinant? Already we found the determinant minus 5. So 1 by minus 5, adjoint of A is minus 1, 12, minus 4, 9, 13, minus 6, minus 1, minus 3, 1. So this is inverse of the given matrix. This 1 by minus 5 is nothing but minus 1 by 5. That we can inner multiply here. So minus into minus plus 1 by 5. This is minus 12 by 5. This is 4 by 5. 9 by 5. Minus 13 by 5. 6 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Actually this is the inverse of the given matrix A. So this is one more method to find the inverse of the given matrix. Already we completed row transformation method, that also important. Go through this also.